Hi everyone, and welcome back to 5 Squared Support. I am Mike, and this is where I make video that so few people watch. But hey, I'm not bitter. I just want to share my knowledge with the world. Yes, sophomore science teacher, I have knowledge. Even if it means sharing with only 8 people. Still though, I would like to welcome more than 8 people. So please press that like button, subscribe, and do that bell thing if you're feeling generous. I'm feeling a bit generous, which is why I'm making this video, because there's something I need to share. This is a software product I only found just a few months ago, and I love it. It is called VDM. In today's world, we are always multitasking. We're watching videos, checking email, working on documents. We do this all at the same time, and if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to do things better. This is a software application that allows you to create multiple virtual displays on your computer. This means that you can watch multiple videos, check multiple emails, and work on multiple documents all at the same time. You will increase productivity, multitasking, you will enhance your gaming experience. It's perfect for watching sports on a large screen television. This, to me, is the most important and what I use it for most often. You can organize windows and applications, reduce eye strain, improve workflow. With this application, you can create multiple virtual displays. Each one has its own desktop. This means you can work on multiple projects at the same time, or you can watch a video while you work on a document. I have multiple physical monitors, and yet I still find Virtual Display Manager absolutely incredible. I want to get back to watching sports. If you have a large screen television, you can use VDM to watch multiple sports games at the same time. This is a great way to catch all the games and all the action at the same time. I will often turn my 3 physical monitors into 9 or 10, depending on what I'm watching. Virtual Display Monitor is very easy to use. Simply install the software and then launch it. You can then create as many virtual displays as you like. Each virtual display will have its own desktop, and you can move windows and applications between virtual displays just like you would on a physical monitor. If you are looking for a way to be more productive, improve your multitasking, and enhance your gaming experience, then Virtual Display Monitor is the software for you. It is easy to use and can make a big difference in your workflow. But again, most importantly, it's great for watching multiple games at the same time. Alright, let's get the Virtual Display Manager downloaded. Visit 5squared.tech, click on Software, scroll down until you get to Virtual Display Manager. Go ahead and do the direct download link because you want the evaluation key as well as the application. We'll download the installer first in the default location, and now we'll do the 15-day evaluation key. Using the Windows key and the letter E, we're going to open up Explorer, go to Downloads, and then we're going to run the setup program. We also want to be sure we click this box because we want to load the display license key. 15 days, after that the cost is $35 and it's worth even more than that. Be sure to load it and then finish it up. I have 2 physical monitors at this time. I'm going to add a configuration for both of them. The very top one, I'm just going to split into 2. Perhaps I'm looking at charts on one and email on the other. We're just going to go with the templates. I'm going to make the bottom one 4 screens, 4 virtual monitors. Why? Well, because I want to watch 4 games. Who am I kidding? I'm probably going to watch 6. So we're going to give this a name. It's a friendly name, whatever makes sense to you. Name whatever you want. We're going to name this one 2x4. We're going to go ahead and apply it. We now have 4 screens. We're just simulating games. These are just highlights because there's no live games going on at this time. And now, just like a regular monitor, I'm going to double click each screen to make it full view. And there you go. With Chrome or Brave, you can watch a video and you could right click it and do picture in picture, but you can only do one. With Firefox, you could do more picture in picture. However, it is a pain to resize and get everything set up. This application is absolutely amazing. There's no better way to watch multiple games at one time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.